So today I'm hoping for a lively debate on the topic of women in science, technology, engineering and math, or STEM. And I'd like you to work in pairs and we'll see what you come up with. So let's have you two work together, and you two and you two.
So what do you think?
About what?
Why there are so few women in STEM?
What? She said we were supposed to debate. A debate implies a controversial topic, one with two possible sides, like, I don't know, should we use embryonic stem cells to cure disease? I was on the debate team in high school, and that's one of the topics we had to debate. It's not an easy topic. I mean, first there's a matter of combining the two.
Yes, I'm familiar with the issue, but that's not what she asked us to talk about.
You mean debate?
Maybe you spent too much time in debate? Okay, let's assume the question was, why are there so few women in STEM?
Okay, sure. Why is that? I mean, it's not like women aren't allowed to be coders or engineers. My sister's in engineering.
Good for her. But there's still evidence that women are discriminated against in STEM.
So it's a conspiracy?
No, it's much more subtle than that, and largely unconscious, I'd say. It starts at a young age. Girls and boys are socialized to think that women are more suited for the arts and men are more suited for hard sciences.
I wasn't socialized that way.
Me neither. But studies show that there is a bias against women in STEM. And those training courses designed to rid people of their biases have little effect. And face it, men are still biased against women in those disciplines.
So because you're a woman, you have no biases?
That's not what I said. What are we supposed to be coming up with here exactly?
I have no idea.
I'm not sure I do either.
Okay, everybody, 30 seconds, and then I want to hear your response on why there are so few women in STEM-related careers, and why it is important that we have women represented in those fields. Remember that part of your participation mark for this is riding on your responses today. Okay.